Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host, Jay, and today I want to talk to you about 3 projects that I like. One, it's kind of getting on my nerves right now because I just sat here and read a super long article about it, talking about XRP and what's going on with this XRP lawsuit case. I'm sure this has been all of the talk today. It's been everything everybody is talking about. XRP is down substantially because of the news. It's down back at 37 cents. Womp. That sucks. But yeah, so the SEC sues Ripple for 1.3 million for ongoing sales of XRP. But it's a lot more interesting than that. So I want to give you guys some information because I'm sure a lot of people have talked to you guys about this already, but nobody's really giving you the details and giving you the information. Everybody, if anybody is trying to downplay what's going on here, like, you shouldn't trust them. Like, honestly, you shouldn't trust them. Like, I'm not here to hate on XRP. I'm here to make sure y'all don't lose money. That's what I'm trying to do. So don't get mad at me for saying anything bad about XRP because these ain't my words. This is from a long complaint of 70 something pages that was just ongoing of the SEC talking shit about what XRP and Ripple and Brad Garlinghouse and them are actually doing. Did you know that they made $600 million from selling XRP, dumping it on people's heads? Like, that's crazy. So anyways, I'm going to put this article in the description, and I encourage you, if you hold XRP, please read the article, because for me, I think, although there was a substantial amount of FUD around XRP, I can't see how after any banks read this, they're going to trust Ripple at all, ever. I wouldn't. Why would you? I'm sorry. Why would you? Anyways, first thing I want to talk about from this whole long thing, I went through this whole thing. Line 106. So after a while, I started reading these things and I'm like, damn, they really that shady? But right here, line 106, it says, in other words, Ripple expected that most, if not all, institutional sell buyers would sell their XRP on the public markets. What? Here's another one. Going down. Right here. November 1st. Wait, let me see. Ripple agreed to make up $1 billion worth of XRP available for a purchaser investor see on November 1st. $800 million of which would be given to them at discounted prices of 30% below market price. You're going to sell them 800 million XRP, that much? And so basically what the SEC is complaining about is that Ripple was selling XRP knowing that these entities were going to dump it on people's heads. Not only that, Brad Garlinghouse and Larson were selling XRP from their own personal stash. It goes back all the way into the beginning and shows that they controlled 100% of the XRP. They wanted to create a market for it and all that stuff. So you can go ahead and read through this article. It took me a long time. Not an article, it's the actual complaint filed, litigation from the SEC to Ripple, Garlinghouse, and Chris Larson. So if you're invested in SEC, I'm going to give this to you and put it in the description. Please read it. Please read it. Don't sit there and be blinded by the stupidity that some people are throwing into your face. You know what I'm saying? This is a very big problem for the success of the future of what XRP is trying to do. If you're a bank, you think you're going to work with somebody who potentially, padded their pockets with $600 million. They sold $1.3 billion worth of Ripple. Then it goes right here and it says, where is it at? I didn't really want to get too far into this because I got other stuff to talk about. Right here. Meanwhile, Larson, Ripple's executive and current chairman, Brad Garlinghouse, orchestrated these unlawful sales and personally profited $600 million from their unregistered sales of XRP. These two guys, 600 mil at the cost of you hodling for life. So next thing I want to talk about is DOS. So DOS had some news come out today, and let me clear this chart out because it doesn't mean anything. So DOS had some news come out today. It had a slight pump to about a penny, but the thing that is great is we get some more direction of what's going on with the DOS project. And coming to their Twitter, you can see right here, introducing DOS 2.0, the most versatile, powerful Oracle system in the whole damn world, man. I don't know if that's true, don't listen to me on that, but yeah, they're working and they're doing some cool things. So in this article, they talk about they've been working in stealth mode and they underwent significant changes. So there's a new CEO, there's a new COO, they promoted some people, but what's new and what is DOS 2.0? So integration and support for Polkadot and Binance Smart Chain. I originally thought it was going to be Polkadot and Cosmos, but I guess Binance Smart Chain is actually coming up, is one of the next up and coming like chains out there, because Binance is putting money behind it and they want it to succeed, and they're paying the developers and they're doing what they got to do. So I think, you know, the people at DOS saw that and decided that they were going to go ahead and jump right into it. They got the DOS data stream, computing power as an Oracle. So what I'm most excited about is to actually see a new roadmap. So coming up beginning of next month, you have the data stream will be deployed on the Binance Smart Chain and the Polkadot testnet. That's great. Computing Oracle will be deployed on Alpha testnet. So nice. There will be DOS network will be expanded to another widely used EMV compatible blockchain. I think that's going to be Cosmos. I think it's going to be Cosmos. So Q3, the DOS DAO. What's up? DOS DAO coming soon. Q3. Pretty excited about that. All functionality will be deployed on Polkadot beta testnet in Q3 as well. Q4, hopefully they're going to that Polkadot mainnet. Then it talks about how over the last 6 months they had a bunch of changes going on, organizational changes. No. Backtrack. What they're saying is they're going to lock the team's coins for another 6 months. The team was supposed to get all their money on the 1st of January of 2021, and I was getting a little weary about that, like if so many tokens are going to be given out, are they going to dump all at once, are they going to hold? I'm assuming that they're going to hold, because the prices, I'm sure they see that the price is going to be higher, you know, they probably see that over there at the team, you know, but it was 200 million tokens, 20% of the supply, and they're going to hold it out for another 6 months. So that's pretty cool. They want to see some of these things being developed first. And like I said, new CEO and all that stuff, it's just wonderful over there at DOS land. Also, if you're a developer or something like that in cryptocurrency, they got a DOS grant coming out where, you know, they're going to help incubate some projects to help with DOS and to help get this ecosystem up and running and get it going like that. So not gonna lie, it's getting a little bit weary, even though, you know, they usually take a long time. They don't really announce much, but I was just kind of like, man, should I put this into some other coins? A lot of other oracles are coming and stuff like that, but to see these roadmaps gives me a little bit more, you know, solidity in what I was already thinking, like, hey, they're going to do something cool, they got nice things coming out, and it's going to be pretty nice. So shout out to DOS for that update. So, man, next and last but not least is real quick, I talked to you guys about Oregon Trail trac. Now, this is one of my most bullish holds right now. I feel like, in my opinion, I mean, not one of my most bullish holds, like I'm most bullish on trac at the moment. Origin Trail right now, it's at 17 cents with a market cap of only $40 million. I think that could be 500 easily. That could be 500. Yeah, trading volume is not even $1 million yet. What markets is it on? So it's not on many markets. Let's get it on some more markets. Come on, Coinbase. Come on, Binance. Let's add Origin Trail. We need them on there. Why? Look at these companies they work with, dog. Let me show. Look at this. If you live in the United States, you know like 50% of these brands right here. 55 members, including many of the largest retailers in the world. 40% of all non-American imports, 20,000 factories, 74 countries. What? 14K annual audits and 850 auditing firms. That scan, working with Oregon Trail implementation. Let's get it. Real quick video to talk to you guys about this whole XRP situation. I want you guys to really like look into it. Don't just hop in my comments all pissed off because you love XRP and you just want to, you don't care if Brad Garlinghouse made $300 million at your expense. Whatever, leave me alone. Next, DOS releases some new news that's cool. And trac, I'm so bullish on trac. I can't believe more people are not talking about the Origin Trail, the trac token. So let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.